Jumping Ziggy. Ziggers, come on. Oh, Ziggy!
I would like to try it. Oh, see how high you can jump? You put that just a little bit higher. You can jump pretty high. Yeah, just a 4.
Round 2. Woo! Oh my god!
Did you get that?
Woo! Yeah! Round 3.
Good boy.
Oh, so cute.
It's so cute. Not much higher.
Go, Ziggy!
Oh.
Oh!
Hi, honey. Hi, hang on. I'll try this one again. Stop. Ready? Aha. Jump! Jump!
Oh!
Little jump. He's like, no thanks, guys. It's like, I already did it once. Ready? Hang on. We have to get enough power.
We have to get enough power.
Go. Go, go, go!
Oh!
I should probably stand right here. Right in the dog trail. Wonderful. I'll stand right here. Ready? Come on. Jump. Oh. Zoe, come stand over here.
Okay.
Good boy. What's that? Oh. And you have to come in front of him if he tries to jump next to you. Here, I'd stand more this way.
My feet, I have
I'll
bare
stand this way.
feet.
You stand on the other side. He doesn't jump on the other side. Just in case. Ready? Stop. Ready? Go! Go! He almost ran into me. Here, can I?
Woo!
Well, hang on, let me show you.
Ziggy.
Ziggy! Here, wait. Go, 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 go. Here, wait. Let's do something. Ready, watch out. Ready? Ready?
Woo!
Good boy! Hey, to run off.
Oh!
Good boy. He's a good boy. I know, no, I was hoping. Ow, don't bite me. Ah, you little pooper. Get back. He did it before and he made it. Go!
Oh!
Good boy for trying.
Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. And check out other videos too. Bye!